Toshiba Machine, as a comprehensive machinery manufacturer, supports manufacturing processes across the world from metalworking to molding. Toshiba Machine is deeply involving automotive industry. Toshiba Machine makes machinery to produce all sorts of parts, body, engine, and room for the automobile, from mold machining and molding to assembling processes. Toshiba Machine's mold machining provides comprehensive support adapting to condition of manufacturing site. Toshiba Machine, as one of rare machine tools manufacturer with comprehensive manufacturer's know-how from mold machining to molding. And our products satisfy various size of mold. Toshiba Machine will offer our best solution of optimized production to the customers by ours mold value chain, covering rough machining to finish machining. We also respond to customers' demand in short delivery of machines, as well as we improve more efficient and accurate production processes. Table-type horizontal boring and milling machine BTH 110R18 provides floor space saving, efficient swarf evacuation, excellent workability, and also operability. BTD 200QH with version up is best-selling machine. BTD 200QH spindle with special construction of W-axis can make heavy-duty cutting and high-precision cutting even extended or retracted of W-axis. Double-column type machining center MPF series has one-bodied frame structure, realizes high-speed, high-efficient, and high-precision machining. BM1250Q, with both of the strength of horizontal boring machine and the speed of horizontal machining center, contributes to improved productivity by realized cutting process even to large workpiece efficiently. Against to hard material of SKD61, BM1250Q makes pocket machining with 32mm diameters high feed cutter. BM1250Q can make heavy-duty cutting and high-precision cutting even spindle extended or fully retracted. Toshiba Machine, as one of comprehensive manufacturer including developing NC controller by ourselves, we propose more high-efficient and high-precision solution. G00 corner function realized 10% deduction in cutting time by G00, which changes corner to circular. It deducts a time to return. The SF function is designed to control feed rate of per revolution with cutting speed regulation based on changing contact point. The smoothing and leveling feature makes the finished surface smoother by predicting fluctuations in CAM machining data and leveling the variation and command points. Wideband vibration suppression feature is automatically detecting principal vibration changing by work size and its weight. Such vibration is controlled. Shape recognition preview control function will support customers to improve their product quality. And products targeting automobile mold are also available. High-efficient machines specially designed for various part specifications. The MPJ-M series are suitable for high-efficient press mold machining. The MPF-FS series are excellent for high-efficient plastic mold machining. The MP5C series are tremendous for high-efficient inclined material surface machining. The BTH series are remarkable for large workpiece rough machining and semi-finishing. Toshiba Machine has 3 plants and a plenty of office throughout Japan. Dedicated technical centers such as machine tools, injection molding machines, and die casting machines provide thorough support for customers. We operate overseas offices across the world with centering of China, Southeast Asia, and the United States. Toshiba Machine, as comprehensive machinery manufacturer, will contribute to support manufacturing process all over the world.